Nathan, what are you doing, mate?
Oh yeah.
Find it?
Oh. Shit.
Jeez.
No face. Oh, no
case.
plates.
No,
No case. Do you think I can pull it back and you'll still remember
It's all on the side there, so just move
This
that
one?
thing up. Just move that back, the bottom part.
This one?
Yeah, you pull it back. Man, that's so sick.
Bro, I was about to chuck it into gear.
And then you've got your dials there on the steering wheel. You put that in Sports Plus.
Which one's Sports Plus?
Go like that.
Oh, that one there. Oh.
To go to drive is you push the lever down on the other side.
Oh, this one? Yeah. Bro, that's why
you can be flat footed. Yeah, you can flat foot. I'll show you.
How's that?
I'll take you for a drive.
Holy shit. Let me put it into.
See, just don't let go.
Easy.
Alright, that's how you do it.
That is fucked. Was that your first launch?
I haven't done it since it's been stage 1, bro.
Holy fuck, that is crazy. Holy fuck. The freaking heckin' monster, bro. Do I get one? That's the thing. Kinda want one. Fuck. V8.
Yeah, it's what we were just
Shit was so quick. That is crazy. That's it.
Remember the nights too young and we're stressing. Keeping that weed in my dress. Doing the most impressive. Fuck this shit now I invest. She let my drip so I bless. Trapping work at the bandos. Getting high up some benzos. Now I'm busy counting might have been Sue. Little bitch, I ain't fucking with you. Your little diamonds like a Pikachu. Hop in the coupe and I zoom. Skate off in the NASCAR. Drop the top in a fast car. No keys to push start. Yeah.
No keys to push start, pockets fat, still steady, tryna get my bands. I'm really with the shits, man, you gotta understand us.
Holy fuck, dude, that's sweet, bro.
So cool.
Old fashioned.
love an RX7. They're so sick, man. Legit. Just chucking, yeah. And then down again. Third. And then downshift to second. Yes, sir. And then I don't really want you to do it.
Alright, now I gotta fucking pretend I'm driving.
Then downshift.
From Japan, and it was running like 14 PSI when I got it. It was running like high-ish boost, but because it was like tuned on the Japanese fuel, so I emailed the company that tuned it, and they were like, yeah, just to be safe, put it back to stock boost, and like because it's in Australia fuel's not as good.
Yeah. That's fucking sick. But and it feels like you're close in, you know. You're close to everything. It's like a spaceship, you know what I mean?
Apparently there's less room in here than the Miata.
No way.
Yeah, apparently I'd barely fit in this thing. Like, I need to do the steering wheel and everything because like my knees are here. Like it's drivable.
And you're pretty tall, tall bloke, not gonna lie.
Like it's drivable still, and I can still hit the mountains. I took it to Sandown like this, and it's, you know, you can still have good fun with it. But
stock as well.
Yeah.
Shit. So sick. I did not know this morning I was gonna wake up to driving an AMG C63s and then being a passenger princess in this car, bro.
You drove that guy's
car? Bro.
It's fast, yeah?
It's fucked off its mind.
When this around, like when I first bought it, like no plate.